Alright, hi everyone, Dhanush here. Welcome back to my channel guys. So today's our topic in this video is, does wearing belt, elbow sleeves and wrist straps necessary? This is a quite common question in my Instagram DMs, and even a lot of clients at my gym have asked this question. So I thought of making a video on this and help my people out. So let's start out today's topic and video. So firstly, let's see what is a belt, what are elbow sleeves and what are wrist straps, what are their purpose and when to wear them. A belt. A belt is commonly used in every gym, and every gym has that belt which is wrapped around your hip to protect your lower back. Purpose is to protect the lower back. And coming to elbow sleeves. What are elbow sleeves? Let me show you. I have a pair writing. These are called the elbow sleeves. You need to be wearing in this way. Fuck it. So this is how you wear it. Don't worry about the brand. It's just a normal one from Amazon. The purpose of this elbow sleeves is to protect your elbow while you are lifting weights or you're benching some heavy weights. To protect your elbows from getting hurt, you need to wear an elbow sleeve. Hey, my G. To protect your elbows. And coming to wrist straps. The typical wrist strap would look like this, and you need to be wrapping your wrist wrap around your wrist to protect your wrist and bones from lifting heavy weights. So this is how it looks to protect your wrists. So I think it's clear why are the belt, elbow sleeves and wrist straps used: to protect your lower back, to protect your elbows and to protect your wrists. And the main question here is when to wear them, how to use them and when to use them. I see a lot of people having their belts all around their training and their elbow sleeves no matter what they do, and their wrist straps right from the beginning of the workout. Do you really need them? The answer is no. You need them to an extent. Like for example, when to use your belt? While deadlifting heavy weights. Deadlifts and OHP, overhead press. When you deadlift, you will be taking the weight from the ground with your back straight. Just in case if you get injured, to protect you from getting injured, the belt is necessary. And while doing OHP, overhead press, you will be having the barbell on your hands and you will be lifting the barbell upward. And your back will be slightly bended towards your back. So from protecting from an injury, you need to wear belt while doing deadlifts and OHP. Just in case if you have any pre-existing condition like injury, lower back injury or spine injury or anything else, you can wear a belt whenever it is necessary. If you have a pre-existing injury or pain in your lower back, there is no point of wearing your belt or all around your training. I see a lot of guys wearing their belt even when it is not needed. If it is needed, make sure you wear it. If not, there is no point of wearing it. So I think it's clear with the belt. Coming to elbow sleeves. When are they needed? To protect your elbows. When to use them? While doing any push movements like bench press, heavy dumbbell press or even tricep press downs or even tricep skull crushers. When you're doing them, you need to have elbow sleeves. Just in case if you have a tennis elbow or elbow issue or tendon issue, make sure you wear them when you're doing these workouts. Bench press, any tricep movement, and even when doing OHP, it is even the push movement or you're doing any shoulder presses, you can wear it. For example, dumbbell press. These are the situations where you need to use elbow sleeves, and even when you are doing heavy. I repeat, when you are doing heavy, make sure you use your elbow sleeves, or else if you have any pre-existing elbow issue, you can use them, or else there's no point of using elbow sleeves. If you don't have any issue and if you're not doing heavy on your bench press or tricep movements or dumbbell movements, there's no point of wearing elbow sleeves. So I think it is clear with the elbow sleeves. And coming to wrist straps, damn thing. I see every guy wearing wrist straps even if it is necessary or not. For protecting your back, elbows, wrists, you can wear it, but no point in wearing all the time, even when you do performing exercises like push-ups, pull-ups. If you have a pre-existing condition, then that's fine. If you don't have a pre-existing condition and you are wearing them just to show off, or even some your favorite actor or someone is using them, you are using them too, it's less pointless. If you want, you can use. That's not my issue. The answer is don't use them if you don't need. Wrist. When are wrists protected? Same. Bench press, any movement, any bicep movement, or any dumbbell, even in pull movements. Pull. When you're pulling a lat pull down, when you're doing a barbell row, when you're doing a bicep curls, you need to protect your wrist. So just for safety side, you can use wrist straps in doing pull movements and elbow sleeves in doing push movements. I see a lot of people wearing elbow sleeves doing lat pull downs and bicep curls. I really don't understand why they need a fucking elbow sleeves when doing pull-in movements, unless you have a pre-existing condition. So I think it is clear to you all when to use the belt, elbow sleeves and wrist straps. And the question here is, what brand should we use? It doesn't fucking matter. Any good quality brand or any good quality belt, elbow sleeves or wrist straps is fine, and you can go with that. Just select with the quality and with your budget. According to your pocket, you can buy anything in online, offline, or anywhere. I'm not any brand ambassador. I don't promote shit on my channel. I just give information needed to the people who lift weights. So, and the most important question is, do I use them? No, no, and no. So the answer is no, I don't use belt, no, I don't use elbow sleeves, no, I don't use wrist straps. They are just there for safe side whenever I need it, like I'm going beyond my limits and beyond my maxing out, then I might use it in very, very, very rare conditions. I don't use a belt, even I deadlift, I squat, no, I never use a belt, I never needed it, thank God my lower back is safe and perfect. And elbow sleeves, same, I never use it. I think you have seen a lot of my workout videos, right? Any bench press, any dumbbell press, any shoulder press, I never use any elbow sleeves. I do it in a raw. And wrist straps, these are the least bother thing in my gym bag. I never ever touch them. So should you follow me? The answer is no. You should follow me. Follow what I say. If you want to protect your lower back or you have any lower back issue, use a belt. If you want to protect your elbows or you have any elbow issues, use your elbow sleeves. If you want to protect your wrist or you have any wrist issue, by doing pull movements, you can use a wrist straps. Unless until you have an issue or just for safe side, there's no point of using them. So I think that topic is clear to everyone. If you like the video, put a thumbs up button on the like symbol. If you have any opinions or queries related to fitness and health, make sure you comment your opinions and queries in the comment section below. If you love my content, please subscribe to my channel. So this is Dhanush signing off for today.